I'm Thuong. I'm here in Da Nang, Vietnam. In today's video, we will cycling along the beach, watch the sunrise, and discover how Vietnamese people exercise in the morning. Let's go! In the last video, I went on a bike ride in heavy rain. After that incident, I switched to cycling in the morning. As you can see, everything in the morning is wonderful. The sunset is so beautiful. You can see a lot of people exercising here. They are cycling, running, dancing, and many more activities. The weather in Da Nang right now is very suitable for cycling, but about a month later it will change to the rainy season. In Michigan, Cruz's hometown, the weather is getting colder. He sent me a video to talk about the weather there. I will share it to you.
Hey guys, Thuong Cruz here, checking in Thuong's video. She's been taking over the Thuong Cruz channel lately, and I'm still here actually in my hometown in Michigan. I've been working on a fun little project, and it's been keeping me busy. The weather's been amazing here this summer. It's my first summer back in Michigan, enjoying the nice cooler weather, and we've actually started getting into the fall now, so it's very cold this morning. I think it's about 10 degrees Celsius, and I've been loving the weather here, and it's been nice to escape the hot, humid weather in Vietnam. And I guess Vietnam's starting to enter the rainy season here pretty soon. And in the last video, Thuong's had some fun in the rain with all the flooding and everything. So haven't had any of that here, fortunately, but we have had a few power outages. You can see there's a bunch of like big trees around me, and some of these have come down. I'm actually working on a house over here, and it's been keeping me really busy. I've been working like 80 hours a week on it, and one of the trees in the yard got hit by lightning and took it down. So it's been crazy here. It's been fun, but yeah, it's been fun watching Thuong's videos. We've been wanting to upload more, but I've just been so busy with this project, and Thuong's busy with her channel, but she's taking the time to help make some extra videos on here from now, and you guys seem to like them. We got a lot of compliments, and it's fun to hear her speak English. Actually, for me, this is the same as you guys. Like, I've never really heard her speak much English before, so watching these videos is exciting for me as well, just to see how much she's improved with her English. And you guys seem to like her videos more than mine, so thank you for all the comments. And yeah, I think she's gonna continue talking about what she's been doing with her studying, but I'll try and make some more videos myself here soon and give you guys some more updates. See ya!
Thanks, Cruz and everyone. I was so nervous filming these cycling videos. This is the first time I speak English in the whole video. I practiced many times before filming the video. Luckily, everything was okay. Thank you everyone for always encouraging me. Currently, I'm studying English at Italki. My teacher, she's from Philippines. She's very kind and funny. I like her very much. I'm still studying hard every day. Sometimes I make mistakes or have difficulty hearing, so please forgive me. I will try to improve every day. Thank you for understanding. And now, let's enjoy the morning air at Da Nang Beach. Let's go! After watching the sunset, I will have breakfast at a Banh Mi shop. That shop opens at 7 a.m. So I will cycling around and wait until that store opens. Cho chị một cà phê dừa đá xay. Chị dùng tại đây. Với một bánh mì thịt xông khói trứng. you so much for watching and see you in the next video.